Hello friends, my name is David and you are watching Strange Things. Friends, there are millions of species of animals in the world. You all know that some animals are more powerful and dangerous than others, but in this video today, I will show you. I'm going to tell you about the common animals that fight with dangerous animals, so let's start our countdown. Number 12, donkey and hyena. Some of us consider donkeys as very noble animals. They carry our burdens, and that is why we consider them very useful animals. But after watching this video you will doubt the nobility of donkeys. This donkey was grazing in a field when a hyena also came there. By the way, a hyena is a very dangerous animal, but here as soon as it moved forward, the donkey attacked it. It seemed that the donkey didn't like this hyena at all, and he dragged it to the field and started throwing it here and there like a football by holding it in his teeth. It proves one thing: donkeys also become too aggressive occasionally and can harm other animals. This scene was really weird. Number 11, dog and snake. If we talk about dogs, dogs are loyal animals as well as very dangerous. Especially if we talk about bulldogs, they are very dangerous. In this video, a snake accidentally entered the bulldog's yard. When this dog came in front of him, he tried to attack him, but he did not know with whom he was messing. This dog pressed the snake into his teeth. The snake tried hard to save its life, but to no avail, and the snake died. Well, this fight between dog and snake was really unusual. Number 10, two tigers and a crane bird. Many of you must have seen crane bird. It is considered a brave bird, and even that it is not afraid of big and dangerous animals. In this video, two hungry tigers were trying to attack a crane. They thought this bird would be afraid of them and they would hunt it and eat it. But as soon as these two tigers came to this bird, instead of being afraid, it started to scare them. It opened on both of its wings and started running after them as if they were hunting them. Even if he tried to attack them, the tigers were running away as if they were scared of him, so big tigers were scared of a small bird. This scene was really worth watching. Number 9, turtle and horse. We all know that a turtle is a completely harmless animal. It does not harm any animal or human. But after watching this video, this will be proved completely wrong. It was sitting on the grass and a horse was grazing nearby. While eating grass, the horse had accidentally touched it. As the horse brought his nose close to the turtle, he bit down on it very hard. This bite was so painful that the horse screamed and ran away in fear. Number 8, 4 dogs and a lizard. By the way, dogs are very brave, but sometimes they become wet cats. In the video, 4 dogs were trying to attack this lizard. They were all barking at it to scare it, but this lizard turned out to be so brave that it got heavy on all 4 dogs and attacked all 4 of them at the same time. Instead of being afraid of them, he taught them a lesson. 2 of the dogs were scared and ran away from there. Number 7, kangaroo and dog. In the video you are watching, the kangaroo stands inside the pond. The dogs outside the pond were barking at him as if asking him to come out of the pond to fight, and finally dog jumped into the pond. He went in, but he didn't know that he had made a big mistake. Seeing the kangaroo, it looked like he was waiting for the dog to come in and take revenge on him. As soon as he came in, the kangaroo attacked him. This kangaroo was using all his strength to drown the dog in the water, but he finally managed to escape. This scene was really unusual. Number 6, falcon and fox. Usually, eagles eat insects and fish, but have you ever a falcon has been seen hunting a fox? The scene you are watching was recorded in the US. The fox was about to catch and eat its prey when suddenly a falcon came flying and caught the fox's mouth in his claws, but it also flew it into the air with it. The bird picked up such a large fox as if it were an insect, but it was lucky that it fell out of the hawk's claws. As soon as this fox fell down, it got scared and started running away from there. This was really unbelievable. Number 5, chimpanzees and raccoon dog. You all must have seen the chimpanzees. They are very naughty. In this video, a group of chimpanzees was out looking for food. Suddenly this raccoon dog also came there and started moving around, but maybe this chimpanzee didn't like the intervention of the raccoon. So it picked it up and threw it down very badly. But when he tried to escape through a hole, he grabbed him again and pulled him out by the leg, it seemed. It was as if the monkey's anger had not yet cooled down. This scene was really worth watching. Number 4, electric eels and crocodile. Most of you may know about electric eels. They are called electric because there is actually a current inside them. Yes, but maybe this crocodile didn't know this. That's why this crocodile was trying to hunt it. But as soon as it put the fish in its mouth, it felt such a strong current that it lost consciousness. I didn't know what happened to him, so the bite cost him dearly. Number 3. Bear and tiger. Just like humans, animals also have a lot of affection for their children. They care a lot about their children and protect them in every way. If a hunter tries to harm them, they do not hesitate to kill him. In the video you are watching, a tiger was to attack a bear cub. But as soon as it came to him, the bear's mother came running and attacked the tiger as if she wanted to take the tiger's life. This bear did not hesitate to get tangled up with such a dangerous animal to save her child. The tiger came to satisfy his hunger. But he did not know that he would have to run away. This is really unbelievable. Number 2. Cat and alligator. Cat is a very loving pet. It does not harm anyone. But if we talk about wild cats, it is very aggressive. But have you ever seen a wild cat being beaten by one? In the video you're watching, she was trying to tease the alligator, but she didn't know that this move could cost her dearly, and she was about to face a terrible fate. As soon as the cat touched her, when he tried to do this, this alligator hit him in the mouth with one blow and dropped him into the water. This action was very expensive for the cat. Number 1. Horse and chicken. If we talk about horses are very calm and do not attack other animals, nor do they bother anyone for no reason. But sometimes their patience is also answered. In the video you are watching, a chicken is constantly pestering the horse. Every time he went, he would push him away from his feet, but when he got fed up and the hen did not stop, the horse kicked him in such a way that the hen lost consciousness and she went away and fell. That's all for today. For now, friends, please allow me to go to the next video.